I am doing another home Hyperia update, as obviously it's my first day back at work, and besides I have got things happening of next coming Monday, Tuesday, so I don't have a fat lot of time. And besides, I think I've mentioned before, like getting down to London and to Chertsey Monk's Walk, it's like 50 quid a pop, and I think I spent too much of that last year. So anyway, I've checked on Facebook, or more precisely Thorpe Park Merlin Passholder group, and yeah, there's a lot more exciting things regarding Hyperia at this current moment. There is what really is landscape gardening for the actual area around Hyperia, and one of the other inversions being, I think, non-inverting immelman. Now, like last time went down Monk's Walk was way back in December, or I think the time was December the 3rd. So yeah, it's been like a whole, I think roughly 6-7 weeks since I was last down there, and like that support structure next to the station, that was slowly going up, and my god, yeah, it's suddenly gone way up. I'm thinking, whoa, this is amazing. And now obviously yesterday I caught Jack's construction update from the actual site, and yeah, but I mean at the moment, when I get down there, most probably I think first day of opening back in March, I think March the 24th, depending. I don't know about like getting down next month in February down Monk's Walk. I've noticed other video construction update on Hyperia, and yeah, I think Abbey Lake has flooded parts of Monk's Walk, and yeah, it's just one of them things really. But the way I was looking at the pictures, I'm thinking, wow, it's really coming along leaps and bounds, and yeah, really looking forward to actually going back down, checking it all out. I mean, obviously another 2 months, season starts again, and yeah, it's all looking positive. So yeah, bit of a quick update on Hyperia. Like I said, I'm back at home, as you can tell, and yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this particular update with me, David from Dave's Adventures. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, as it is genuinely appreciated. Please do comment what you think of this particular video, and if you haven't already, I would also appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dave's Adventures. So yeah, until next video, bye!